Hey, this is Aaron Stanfield with the Janac Brothers Racing team. We're here at RJ Race Cars today picking up our new freshly built Pro Stock car. And you know, this thing's awesome. It's beautiful. You know, these guys at RJ Race Cars have done a really good job front to back with the car. And ISP came down and got me a seat poured and you know, got me comfortable. And we moved the pedals around a little bit to make sure I'm fully comfortable, got the steering wheel in the right position, you know, went over a couple things that might or might not be a little different with the car. And you know, these guys are second to none, and I'm just really excited to take it out and go racing. Ricky, me and him are gonna go out and for our first try with the new car, and then we're gonna head to Gainesville from there, and that'll be our first national event with it. We're really excited and can't wait.